How to clean a coffee maker. 5 ways to show the love. If you're like most coffee drinkers, the morning ritual of brewing a fresh pot of coffee is almost sacred. It's a time of reflection, preparation, and the comforting aroma of roasted beans permeating the air. But how often do we stop and think about the cleanliness of the device that brews our beloved beverage? Just like any other kitchen appliance, coffee makers can harbor bacteria, mineral deposits, and old coffee residue. Over time, this can affect not only the taste and quality of your coffee, but also the lifespan of your machine. Whether you're using a simple French press, an intricate espresso machine, or a straightforward drip coffee maker, regular cleaning and maintenance are crucial for optimal performance. Ensuring that your coffee maker is clean will guarantee that every cup you brew is as delicious as the last and that your machine remains in top condition. In this video, we'll explore the most effective and hassle-free methods to clean your coffee maker, ensuring it delivers the best flavor consistently every day. The basic supplies and ingredients to clean a coffee maker. White vinegar. You'll need about 2 cups of white vinegar, which acts as a natural and effective cleaning agent. It helps remove mineral buildup and coffee residue, leaving your coffee maker fresh and odor-free. Water. Along with the vinegar, you'll need 2 cups of water. This will be used to dilute the vinegar and rinse the coffee maker after the cleaning process. Baking soda. Adding a 1/4 cup of baking soda to the cleaning mixture can provide extra cleaning power. Baking soda helps to eliminate any lingering odors and stubborn stains. A soft scrubbing brush or an old toothbrush. These tools will help you reach those hard-to-clean areas, such as the crevices and corners of your coffee maker. Gently scrubbing with a soft brush will ensure thorough cleaning without scratching the surface. A damp cloth. A damp cloth is handy for wiping down the exterior of your coffee maker. This will remove any dust or dirt that may have accumulated. Soap. Don't forget to have some soap on hand for cleaning the removable parts of your coffee maker, such as the carafe and filter basket. Use mild dish soap and warm water to ensure proper cleaning and sanitation. By following these simple steps and using the right supplies and ingredients, you can keep your coffee maker running smoothly and enjoy a delicious cup of coffee every time. The importance of regular cleaning. Every time you brew your favorite cup of joe, the natural accumulation of coffee grounds and oils in your coffee pot and carafe can gradually lead to clogs and impact the taste of your best coffee. To ensure that every sip remains as delightful as the first, I highly recommend incorporating a monthly cleaning routine for your coffee maker. By taking this simple yet effective step, you can effortlessly maintain that pristine and satisfying coffee taste that you crave day after day. Step-by-step guide to cleaning your coffee maker. Deep cleaning. Step 1. Gather and prepare all supplies. Start by arranging all your cleaning supplies and ingredients on your kitchen counter. Having everything within reach makes the cleaning process smoother. I recommend always using fresh white vinegar and clean water to ensure the best results. Step 2. Empty and rinse the coffee maker. First things first, ensure the coffee maker is unplugged. Empty the carafe and discard any old coffee grounds. I also advise removing the used coffee filter and any removable parts, giving them a quick rinse under tap water to remove any immediate residues. Step 3. Scrubbing the carafe. To tackle stubborn coffee stains in the carafe, mix the baking soda with a little water to create a paste. Apply this to the stains and gently scrub using the brush. Once done, rinse the carafe thoroughly. For daily users, this step can be a game changer as it helps in maintaining the clarity of the carafe. Step 4. Decalcifying with white vinegar solution. One of the main culprits behind a malfunctioning coffee maker is mineral buildup. Prepare a solution with equal parts of white vinegar and water and fill the coffee maker's reservoir. Turn it on and start a brew cycle. However, just when it's halfway through, turn the coffee maker off and let it sit for an hour. This pause allows the vinegar solution to decale your coffee maker, breaking down any mineral deposits. Step 5. Complete the brew and rinse. After letting it sit for an hour, turn the coffee maker back on and let it complete the brewing cycle. Once done, discard the vinegar solution. Now, fill the coffee pot with clean water and run 2 more brew cycles. This step ensures all vinegar residues are washed out. I recommend using fresh, clean water for rinsing to avoid any vinegar aftertaste in your next brew. Step 6. Wash removable parts and wipe down. The final step involves paying attention to the removable parts. Take the coffee filter basket, the carafe lid, and any other removable components and wash them in warm soapy water. Use the soft brush if needed to scrub off any coffee residues. Rinse them thoroughly and let them air dry. Once dried, reassemble your coffee maker. To finish off, use a damp cloth to wipe down the exterior, making it look spick and span. Common cleaning agents for coffee makers. 1. White vinegar. White vinegar is a popular natural cleaning agent for coffee makers due to its acidic properties, which can effectively break down mineral deposits and residues. To use white vinegar as a cleaning agent, fill the coffee maker's reservoir with equal parts water and vinegar and run a brew cycle. After this, run a few cycles with plain water to rinse out the vinegar taste and smell. It is a cost-effective and readily available solution for most households. 2. Commercial descalers. There are specialized descaling solutions available in the market that are formulated to remove limescale and other mineral deposits. They are efficient and designed specifically for coffee makers, ensuring no harm to the machine. It's essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions when using these solutions. 3. Baking soda. Baking soda is another natural cleaner that can be used to clean coffee makers. A solution made from water and baking soda can help remove stains and neutralize odors. However, it's essential to ensure thorough rinsing after cleaning to prevent any aftertaste in the coffee. 4. Dish soap. Mild dish soap can be used to clean the removable parts of the coffee maker, such as the carafe and filter basket. It can effectively remove coffee oils and residues. Ensure to rinse the parts thoroughly after cleaning to avoid any soapy residue. Tips for ongoing maintenance. 1. Daily maintenance habits. Just as you wouldn't leave dirty dishes in the sink, don't leave your coffee pot unwashed. After each use, rinse the carafe and any removable parts with water. Stale coffee grounds can become a breeding ground for mold. Empty the filter basket of used grounds every day. 2. Weekly deep cleanse. Once a week, give your coffee machine a thorough cleaning. Fill the water chamber with equal parts water and white vinegar, then run a brew cycle. The vinegar will break down any mineral deposits and clean out oils from the coffee. Once done, run another cycle with just water to rinse out the vinegar. This not only extends the life of your machine, but ensures a fresh taste with every brew. 3. Monthly checkups. Check any rubber seals or water lines for signs of wear, cracks, or leaks. Replacing these parts when needed can prevent larger problems in the future. In areas with hard water, mineral deposits can build up more quickly. If you notice a chalky residue, it's time to decale. Many coffee makers come with a descaling feature, but you can also use a solution of equal parts water and white vinegar. 4. Use of filtered water. If you really want to prolong the life of your coffee maker, consider using filtered water. Tap water often contains minerals that can build up in your machine over time. Filtered water not only reduces this risk, but can also improve the taste of your coffee. Final thoughts. Maintaining the cleanliness of your coffee maker is essential not only for the longevity of the machine, but also for ensuring every cup you brew tastes its best. By following our above-mentioned deep clean tips, such as using white vinegar to decale and dissolve accrued mineral deposits, or simply washing the removable parts with dish soap after every use, you can prevent unwanted buildup and potential health risks. It's important to take the time to learn how to clean your coffee maker properly. Doing so will not only elevate your coffee experience, but also prolong the life of your beloved machine.